Hey foodies, welcome back. So my husband mentioned he had a taste for something with shrimp, potatoes, and sausage. So I proceeded to make him this delicious, quick and easy shrimp boil. Let me show you how I did it. Alright, let's start off by boiling our potatoes. Here I have some Cajun seasoning, seasoned salt, Old Bay, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Add that to the water, then we were going to add some red skin potatoes. Feel free to use any kind of potatoes of your choice. We will cover and allow that to boil for about 10 minutes or so. After about 10 minutes, we will add the corn, allow that to boil for about 5 minutes or so. You never want to overcook your corn. So boil for 5 minutes and then remove. Here I have my shrimp already washed and deveined, and here I will add some shrimp bouillon, some Old Bay, garlic and onion powder, black pepper. So you want to just mix that to combine and set aside. To a preheated skillet, I added a little oil and in goes our shrimp. You want to cook the shrimp for about a minute per side. Once the shrimp is fully cooked, remove and set aside. Next, we're going to cook our sausage. Once it's golden brown, you want to remove and set aside. Now in goes our butter right into the same skillet. You want to allow that to melt, and then we'll follow up with our garlic and onions. You want to give that a good stir and allow it to go for about a minute or two. Next, we're going to add some seafood stock. You can also add chicken broth if you like. We're going to follow that up with some lemon juice, give it a stir. Then in goes our seasoning for flavor and taste. I'm going to list all the seasonings that I use in my description box. And you will allow this to come up to a mild simmer. Once it starts to simmer, we're going to add some cornstarch. The cornstarch will prevent the sauce from separating, and it's going to help thicken it. So once the sauce is thickened, we're going to remove it from the heat, and that's basically it, guys. We're going to get ready to assemble our shrimp boil. Lastly, you want to add your sauce to the shrimp, corn, sausage, and potatoes. Make sure it's coated well, and you can serve up and enjoy. This was so simple and easy. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Give it a thumbs up, share it, and let me know what you guys think down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.